We got our pickles. We got our flour. We got our pickle seasoning and flour again. That's how you do it. And then you put it in grease at least 2 inches. Okay, to make fried pickles, you need 1 jar of dill pickle slices drained, 1 cup of buttermilk, 2 tablespoons of red pepper sauce, 1 cup of golden metal all-purpose flour or any other kind, 1 cup of yellow cornmeal, 2 tablespoons of Cajun seasoning, and vegetable oil for frying, and 2 tablespoons of salt. And here's the pickles we use. We use canned pickles. I canned them last year. And here's what they look like. Here's what the fried pickles look like when you get done with them. And oh, if they ain't good. Make sure you make your dredge. And I'll show you what I made all that dredge look like. Here's what your dredge should look like when you get ready to make it. It ain't hard to make, and it's easy to fry. And you fry these pickles at least 3 to 5 minutes till they're golden. Make sure your oil is at least 350 before you dip them in there. Thanks for watching. This is Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube.